grab one that piques your interest. All right, time now for Jeff's car culture this week, car jacks. And all I can think of is those old
school bumpers.
Oh my God, yes, the bumper jacks.
Bumper jacks.
Well, I'll tell you, I don't endorse any of these. These are just things that people might want to look into for their particular need for what they're using on their vehicle. So not every tool needed software or the availability to connect to your Bluetooth. Sometimes all you need is a dependable mechanical tool like a floor jack. Whether you're rotating tires or changing brakes, quality jack is the foundation of most of your do-it-yourself jobs. So here we go, Michael. If you're looking for a simple, everyday garage jack, this Black Hawk may be one for you. After simple setup, you'll be amazed at this 87-pound lift per pump. You know that, Don. With a mere 1.5 pumps of the arm, raising the jack to a full height.
That's NASCAR stuff.
Yeah. During the test, this car was raised 21.5 inches, providing ample space to slide 2 jacks under the pinch welds, which is very important because you always want to do that. Additionally, that the jack's longest chassis design, making it easy to reach cross-member lifting points. So the next one, Mike, you got a type of jack if you're the type who values efficiency and convenience, the Power-Built Unijack combines a classic bottle jack and jack stand into one space-saving tool. Very cool. In terms of safety features, the Power-Built was one jack tested that offered the most tactical safety feature, utilizing familiar lock-drop mechanism that you're used to seeing on jack stands and other hydraulic lifts. So this is more of a mini professional total car lift. The one downfall was the short lever, which resulted in a low pump to lift ratio. So it's a little bit more compact. The next one, Mike, is a slick. Sick and tired of watching the cost of living rise by inflation. Why not watch your vehicle rise by inflation with a Viver pneumatic jack instead? Hey, how about that? With the entire different modus operandi, this jack requires a compressor to operate. Attach the compressor, slowly open the valve, and watch in awe as the jack lifts an impressive rate. Experts say lifting and lowering the jack at variable speeds, it takes a little bit of practice, but it's possible to learn it in just a little bit. You have to be careful of the height and the lowering availability, closing the valves off and such. So the maximum height measured is 15.8 inches. Plenty of room to lift the front vehicle for jack stands and a quick tire stop. That's a pretty neat little thing there. I like that. Unless your vehicle is a military-grade tank, you'll be hard-pressed to find a car in your fleet that the Big Red can't lift. The Big Red has an impressive weight capacity of 8,000 pounds, and that shows its heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced lifting arm. Another thing about the Big Red is that the low-profile jack can be used in low-profile vehicles with low height of 3.8 inches at its lowest setting. The max lift of this is 20.5 inches. The lifting range is versatile enough for a variety of cars, strong enough to handle the heaviest of the lot. So that's a pretty good little jack there. Last one, Mike. If you're looking for low, light, and long-lasting trusty jack, the Pittsburgh low-profile aluminum racing jack may be just what you're looking for. The low-profile design is specifically tailored for vehicles with minimal ground clearance, making it a great choice for racing enthusiasts or low-profile vehicles. Experts say what makes it different is the traditional floor jack is aluminum material design. Weighing in at 24 pounds less than the next size up makes all the difference in maneuverability and portability. So it's important to move those things around. If you put it in your trunk or the back of a pickup, you got to have that lightweight and also be able to lift your vehicle up. So again, check them out. If you've got a specific need for it, be it racing or just everyday do-it-yourself stuff, check them out.
Man, my Corvette, even the lowest of the low jacks, I still have to get under there and kind of
give it an
ease
elbow.
that thing up, just like a quarter of an inch to get the jack underneath there. And there are 4 jacking points on the car, 2 on each side, and you're supposed to have what is called a puck. And it's a thing that goes into the frame, and you twist it to hold it there.
Lock it in.
So that makes it even lower because the puck is probably about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. What a pain. All right.
Well, there you go.
Thank you, sir. All right.